Most people have castor oil at home, but 90% of people don't know how powerful it really is. From hair growth to digestion, skin glow to inflammation support, today we're breaking down everything. Let's explain what castor oil is, where it comes from, the Ricinus communis plant, the difference between cold-pressed and refined, and why it has become popular again. Let's start with what most people search for. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid and supports scalp circulation. It may reduce dryness and has traditional uses for thicker eyebrows and lashes. Let's discuss how to apply it safely, create a weekly routine, and avoid common mistakes. Castor oil is a deep moisturizer that helps reduce dryness and supports the skin barrier. It's used in natural skincare, and you can create a DIY face oil blend. What happens if you use castor oil for 7 days? Important safety note: castor oil is traditionally used as a stimulant laxative but should not be used frequently. Let's explore how it works, when people use it, who should avoid it, and safer alternatives. Castor oil is often used in massage oils and warm castor oil packs for traditional inflammation support. Let's go through the step-by-step pack method. Castor oil packs provide traditional abdominal support and relaxation benefits. Castor oil is great for beard conditioning and dry scalp relief. Here's how to mix it with coconut oil. Let's clarify misinformation about castor oil and build trust in its use. We'll discuss who should not use castor oil, the patch test method, how to choose quality oil, and how often to use it. Let's recap all benefits. If this helped you, subscribe to Glow Up Health. In our bonus section, we will dive into advanced uses of castor oil, such as its role in promoting eyelash growth more efficiently and its innovative uses in DIY home remedies. Let's also discuss castor oil's emerging role in eco-friendly products and its potential as a sustainable resource. We've received many questions from our community. Let's address some of the most interesting inquiries about combining castor oil with other holistic practices. A common question is about using castor oil for pet care. We'll explore safe applications for your furry friends. As we close our journey with castor oil, let's hear real-life stories from our community about their experiences and discoveries. Castor oil's legacy is built on generations of use and continuous rediscovery. Today, we see its impact in modern wellness and lifestyle choices. In our next series, we will explore the world of essential oils, starting with lavender and its relaxing properties. Stay tuned to unlock more natural wonders. Don't forget to share your feedback and let us know what other topics you are interested in learning about. Your health journey is our priority, and we love hearing from you. Let's delve into the chemistry of castor oil, focusing on its fatty acid composition and why it makes such an effective moisturizer and emollient. Recent studies have shown promising results for castor oil in pain management and wound healing. Let's explore these scientific breakthroughs and their impact on healthcare. We will listen to community members who have incorporated castor oil into their lifestyle and how it has transformed their approach to natural beauty and health. These stories not only inspire, but also enlighten us on the diverse applications of this versatile oil across different cultures and practices. Before we part, reflect on the knowledge shared today and how you can implement these tips into your daily routine for enhanced wellness. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey with castor oil. Keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the power of natural health. Looking to the future, we see ongoing research exploring the potential of castor oil in cancer treatments, its anti-inflammatory properties, and roles in integrative medicine. We'll monitor these developments and how they impact the growing trend towards natural and sustainable health solutions worldwide. Listen to personal testimonies by individuals who have experienced life-changing results with castor oil, from chronic pain relief to significant hair growth transformations. These heartfelt stories serve as a reminder of the personal power and inspiration that comes from embracing natural wellness paths. Finally, we explore how castor oil is used globally in various industries, from cosmetics to biodiesel, highlighting its versatility and significance in global trade. The impact of this adaptable natural resource continues to grow, reinforcing its importance in sustainable and eco-friendly innovations. We invite you to participate in a live Q&A session where you can ask further questions and share your experiences. Witness the global community coming together to learn more about natural healing. This is your chance to connect with experts and enthusiasts alike, forging new friendships and collaborations in the pursuit of health and wellness. As we look ahead, we see a future where natural remedies like castor oil play an integral role in everyday health routines, matched with scientific advancements. We encourage you to stay informed, innovate, and inspire others with the wealth of knowledge you now possess. It's clear that castor oil possesses a wealth of potential still waiting to be discovered. As research progresses, we encourage you to explore new frontiers in natural health. Take the initiative to apply these insights, and you may find unique and unprecedented benefits in your journey towards holistic wellness. Albert Einstein once said, "The important thing is to not stop questioning." As we wrap up, continue to question, learn, and empower yourself with knowledge. Your health journey is a tapestry woven with the threads of modern science and ancient wisdom. Continue weaving it with care and curiosity. As we forge ahead, let's commit to exploring the intersection of nature and technology. The synergy between traditional wisdom and modern innovation paves the way for groundbreaking discoveries. Join us in our upcoming series where we integrate cutting-edge research with holistic approaches to unlock the full potential of natural substances. While this marks the end of our current journey, it also marks the beginning of yours. Use what you've learned today as a stepping stone for further exploration. Stay connected, keep learning, and remember the power of knowledge is best when it's shared. Until next time, stay vibrant and be well. The story of castor oil is one of many natural products reshaping wellness and health standards globally. What other treasures await discovery? Together, let's continue exploring new horizons of health and well-being, embracing both ancient practices and modern innovations. We invite you to share your thoughts and insights on castor oil's role in your life. Your experiences enrich our collective understanding. What are your favorite uses for castor oil, and how have they impacted your health journey? Let's start this conversation. Our journey doesn't end here. Onwards and upwards as we dive deeper into the realm of natural health, always pushing boundaries. Tune in to discover more life-changing insights and continue to transform your health journey. Until we meet again, stay well and stay inspired. As we conclude this exploration, let's think about the possibilities that lie beyond what we know today. Every discovery can be a springboard to even greater insights. Remember, every step you take in embracing natural wellness is a step towards unlocking a healthier future. The journey of discovery and healing is continuous. Join us as we discuss and envision new dreams and possibilities together as a community. What innovations can we create for a brighter, healthier future? Your ideas and contributions are invaluable. We welcome all thoughts as we strive to chart a course towards harmonious, sustainable living. Each conclusion is merely the start of a new beginning. Let's carry the torch of knowledge as we progress further on our path of wellness. Together, we are building a legacy of health that transcends the present and will guide future generations. Keep shining your light, and let's thrive together. As we celebrate the discoveries made with castor oil, we set our sights on new frontiers. The landscape of natural wellness is vast and ripe for exploration. With every question answered, 10 new ones arise, urging us to delve deeper into the mysteries nature holds. This is only the beginning. Prepare to embrace the next wave of innovations, where nature and technology intermingle in unprecedented ways to foster health. Let's stay at the forefront of transformation, ensuring that every step forward is grounded in the wisdom of our ancestors. Our journey is not one we walk alone. It is a shared adventure in which every voice counts. As we continue, remember that together we thrive. With a community built on support and shared experiences, we forge a connected future that values both personal growth and collective well-being. As we venture forward, our commitment to expanding knowledge through shared discoveries only grows stronger. Let's cherish every insight. By nurturing our understanding and broadening horizons, we pave the path to a healthier tomorrow for all. In the pursuit of wellness, remember that the journey is as significant as the destination. Each step taken is a testament to your dedication. Embrace the joy of discovery with open arms, and let's continue to inspire and uplift one another on this ever-evolving quest for health. Let us pay tribute to the wellness journeys that have brought us here today, each filled with lessons, growth, and community support. May our shared stories continue to illuminate the path forward, empowering new generations to thrive naturally. As we stand on the precipice of possibility, let's envision a world where dreams of wellness are realized for everyone, everywhere. Together, through understanding and collaboration, we can make those dreams a reality.